Let me show you how to create this pro baseball graphics in Canva. Open a project in Canva and then I will change the background to yellow. Go to element and then scroll down to frames. On the basic shape, click see all and scroll down to get these arcs down. Add to the design. Increase the width like this. Increase the height and move it to the top a little. And then upload your baseball photo here. For example, I will use this one. Just insert it. I will increase the height and then move it to the top. And then click edit. And scroll down to filter. Click see all. Scroll down again to get duotone and click it custom. And then click the highlight color. I will change it to a dark green like this. And then press T on your keyboard to type a text. I will type here 9. This is the number of the player. And then I will change the font to Yearbook Solid. Okay. I will change the color of the text to the same color as the background, which is this yellow. And then I need a thicker text, so I will go to Effect. And I will choose Outline. And I will change the color to the same color as the text. Alright, now it's get thicker, right? I will increase the size like this. Okay, and place it in the center. And then I will double click on the frame, the arch down frame, and I will increase the image inside it. So it will be more visible. And then add another photo here. I will use this one. Remove the background. I will send it to front. I will place it here. Move to the right a little. And then I will duplicate it. And select the duplicate. I will click edit. And scroll down to apps. Click see all. And then type here slice. Enter. I will choose this one. And then choose Minch. Scroll down, click save. And then right click, layer and send backward. Now I will group them. Now go back to element, back again. And then add a dust ground texture. I will increase the size. And then reduce the transparency to about 50. Go to position, layers, and send it behind the player. Now add a text again, the name of the team or the player. For example, Eagles. Change the font to, I will use Yearbook Solid again. And I will reduce the size. I will make it like this. Reduce again. And then change the color of the text to white. I will move here. And I will copy. Enter. Copy. And then select them all. I will reduce the transparency to about 25. And then go to position. I will move it here. And then duplicate. I only need one line. So remove the other. Set the transparency back to 100. And I will remove the other line. Okay. Like this. And then I will place it here. Let's see. Okay. Now add a statistic of the player here. And then the last, I will add some lines, horizontal lines. Change to white. Reduce the transparency about 60. I will place it here. And then I will duplicate. And I will place it on the top. Okay, and then go to position. And move these lines behind the player. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.